This is World.
Yeah. So I have questions for Miss Victoria and to our for Atiswa. So for question po, the anti-underage drinking act was enacted a few years ago. So based on your experience, what is the implementation on the ground? So are the governments are strictly implementing this? Are there anybody was being held accountable already for selling minors alcohols po, based on your experience po?
When we undergo the training, nagtanong-tanong nga ako, meron na bang nahuli? Meron na bang nahuli sa atin? So far po sa barangay namin, wala naman. Kasi, sumusunod naman. Sumusunod naman sa abot ng aking kaalaman, wala namang nahuhuli pa na nahulihan na minor or micro retailers na nagbenta sa minors. Kasi alam naman po ng lahat ito, pera na lang po kung yung sa ibang tindahan. Pero as far, doon po sa street namin, ilan lang kaming family household doon? 50. So, 7 kaming may tindahan. So far naman wala. Wala akong wala.
How about on other barangays po? Kasi we can really deny the fact that minors do really have access pa rin talaga with
within our membership po, kasi every month po nag-meeting kami, may mga chapter meeting kami, may mga so pinag-uusapan namin. Wala pa namang nakarating sa amin na nakasuhan o na napabarangay dahil nagbenta sa minor. Wala pa naman. So yan collaboration ng LGU, ng micro retailers at ng community, kasi sa community namin meron ding mga samahan yan. May pagpupulong din, iba-ibang sektor. May pagpupulong ang mga senior citizen, may magpupulong ang mga women's naman, may mga advocates. So, alam naman, wala pa naman akong
Kasi in our organization po, we have also peer-to-peer mentoring. So, if ever yung mga members namin nagkakaproblema sa kanilang mga businesses, kino-consolidate din po nila yung aming advice. Kung ano po yung, and hanapin din po namin kung anong karampatang kasagutan doon sa kanilang ini-inquire. So far, wala pa po kaming natatanggap na ganun pong report sa mga members po namin.
Okay. But in the barangay level po, are they strictly implementing it by themselves, or you already have to do the work just to implement at least the law? I mean, to raise awareness, or merong yung barangay has the initiative as
Yes
well?
po, kasi nag-a-announce po yan sa barangay.
Okay.
Nag-a-announce.
Thank you very much po. For our po. I also attended some